Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Vandana Jain. I'm Senior Consultant and Head Gynae-Oncology at Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute and Research Center, Delhi, India. So today I'll talk about my patient Lucky Rana, who came all the way from Nepal to get treated here. So she was being evaluated for ovarian masses. She had history of fever also and she was referred here. She wanted to basically come to India and get treated here. So वहाँ पे इनका जो इलाज चल रहा था ओवेरियन कैंसर के लाइंस पे चल रहा था. इनकी इमेजिंग पे अंडे में गांठें थी, CA-125 elevated था. She also had history of fever with pain abdomen. She came to us with great faith in us and we further evaluated her. On imaging, there were some axillary lymph nodes which we biopsied before taking her up for surgery to rule out any distant metastasis. So it was basically a granulomatous inflammation, not a malignant change in the axillary nodes. We further evaluated her by a PET scan and MRI. So जो adnexal masses थे, they were quite suspicious, and so we took up the patient for surgery. We took out the uterus and the ovaries, and we sent the specimen for frozen section. This frozen section report was suggestive of no evidence of malignancy. So we just did a thorough exploration of the abdominal cavity and closed it down. Today is day 15 for her. Stitches have been removed. She is absolutely comfortable, and on histopathology, it's an endometriosis, which is a benign condition, not a malignancy. So basically, she's cancer-free, and there is some granulomatous inflammation in the axillary nodes, for which we will take a chest physician opinion whether she needs a ATT or not.
लकी रहना बच्चा हूँ, मैं नेपाल से आई हूँ डॉक्टर बंदना के पास में. और मेरा ट्रीटमेंट नेपाल में हुआ था. जब मुझे फीवर आया तो मैं नेपाल में ट्रीटमेंट के लिए गई थी. तो वो नेपाल में फीवर किस वजह से आया इसका रीज़न देना नहीं सका. तो मेरा सजेस्ट किया सबने कि दिल्ली जाओ. तो मैं डॉक्टर बंदना के पास आई तो मेरा फीवर बंद हुआ. इसीलिए मैं मेरी थैंक यू देना चाहता हूँ डॉक्टर बंदना को. और मेरे सब बाकी मेरी बेटी बताएगी.
तो हम नेपाल में पिछले 10-15 दिन से डायग्नोसिस करने के सोच रहे थे. एडमिट हुए बहुत लाइक 10 से 15 दिन एडमिट करने के बाद भी वी कुडंट सी द फीवर कैसे आया था, इन्फेक्शन से आया था या कुछ और से आए थे. फिर वी केम ऑन आवर ओन पर्पस कि लाइक चलो यहाँ से नहीं होगा तो दिल्ली में जाएंगे. एंड देन वी केम टू डॉक्टर वंदना. Thank you so much, ma'am, because we are really happy with the way she has done the recovery and all. It's very good. And as soon as the CA-125 was so high in Nepal, but in here when we came, it was completely came to like 500, 300. After that, she's actually recovering now. I'm really happy. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having faith in us.
Then other things, कोई विद्या के भने anyone विरान sick in Nepal, I refer to Dr. Vandana.
So sweet of you. Thank you. तो सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी की बात तो ये है कि इनका कैंसर नहीं निकला and it is a benign condition which is quite endometriosis is a condition जिसमें काफ़ी chances होते हैं कि वो कैंसर से confuse हो, and moreover long standing endometriosis में कैंसर भी बन सकता है ओवरी का. So it is very important to rule that out. Thank you.